Summer is over for some students while others are preparing for their first day of school. Many parents are now making sure their child gets the required vaccines. One of those vaccinations is for measles, and this year the number of cases has already surpassed all of last year. With 4 months still left in the year, the CDC says the U.S. has had more than 2,300 cases. They also say vaccination coverage among kindergartners in at least 36 states, including Texas, are below the 95% needed for herd immunity. CBS 19's Renee Estrada shows us why health officials say those shots protect more than students.
It seems like it's more kids coming in this year than as opposed to last year.
At the Northeast Texas Public Health Center in Tyler, the waiting rooms are already busy. Sylvia Warren, the immunization and TB director at NetHealth, says vaccinations do more than just meet school requirements. They also help protect others in the community who can't receive certain vaccines.
That you're not only protecting yourself, your child, but you are actually protecting the entire community. It's, we all, once we get our vaccines, we're helping somebody else, because there are those that can get certain vaccines, so we help them, to keep them from having disease.
According to the Texas Health and Human Services website, state law requires students have certain immunizations before they can attend school. Depending on their grade, that can include vaccines for measles, mumps, polio, hepatitis B, and chickenpox. Students entering 7th grade must also have a Tdap booster and a meningococcal vaccine. For Jeremiah White, the meningitis vaccine was one of the last things he needed to check off his list before starting his first semester at TJC.
So I went up to college first, and they basically gave me a rundown of everything that I needed to do before attending.
His decision to get vaccinated was more than just about the enrollment requirement. It was about protecting himself and others.
It's for our health, our safety. I know that it helps me not get sick, so in order for others to get sick, I would have to get sick first.
Warren says some parents don't realize their children need vaccines to go to class, so making sure their vaccines are up to date is vital.
It is important that everybody gets vaccinated, because we want to protect every child, every adult, everybody, the whole community.
In Tyler, Renee Estrada, CBS 19.
If you're not sure which vaccines your student needs before the school year begins, you can find links to the Texas Health and Human Services requirements and other helpful resources over on our website at cbs19.tv.